Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic: how to keep our brains sharp as we age. If you're over 50, this video is for you. As we age, maintaining cognitive function becomes crucial. Studies show that brain health directly affects our quality of life, memory, and overall well-being. But what can we do to keep our minds sharp? Let's address some common problems many face after 50 and how food can be a powerful solution. Memory loss. Forgetting names or where you placed items can be frustrating. Incorporate blueberries into your diet. They are packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and inflammation linked to brain aging. Meet Frank, a 72-year-old retired librarian. He claims that since he started his daily blueberry bonanza smoothie, he hasn't forgotten a single name at his book club. Frank blends blueberries with spinach and a splash of almond milk every morning, and he swears it's the secret to his newfound memory fame. Difficulty concentrating. Struggling to focus on tasks can hinder productivity. Fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain health and improving memory. There's Doris, a 65-year-old artist who paints underwater scenes. She insists that salmon sushi days are her most creative. After a sushi feast, she feels like Da Vinci, bursting with ideas for her next masterpiece. Mental fatigue. Feeling exhausted after mental activities is common. Add dark chocolate to your snacks. It contains flavonoids and caffeine, which can enhance your mood and boost memory. Meet Steve, a 68-year-old crossword puzzle champion. He mixes dark chocolate chips into his trail mix and proudly calls it brain fuel. He claims that after indulging, he can solve the toughest puzzles in record time. Just don't ask him to share. Cognitive decline. General decline in thinking speed and problem solving is concerning. Incorporate turmeric into your meals. It contains curcumin, which promotes neuron growth and supports cognitive function. Enter Mildred, a 70-year-old grandmother who started a Turmeric Tea Tuesdays club. She brews a spicy turmeric chai every week for her friends, claiming it keeps their minds sharp and their conversations lively. Last week, they all argued passionately about which flavor of ice cream is the best. Definitely a sign of mental agility. Lack of nutrients. Poor diet can lead to cognitive issues. Eat broccoli, which is high in antioxidants and vitamin K, essential for cognitive function. Take Bob, a 74-year-old competitive gardener. He grows a giant broccoli tree in his backyard that he affectionately calls Brocco Lore. He claims it gives him the wisdom of 1,000 broccoli florets, helping him outsmart his gardening rivals. Stress and anxiety. Increased stress can negatively impact cognitive function. Snack on pumpkin seeds, which are rich in magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper, which are important for regulating mood and reducing stress. Meet Linda, a 66-year-old yoga instructor who swears by her pumpkin seed power granola. She mixes pumpkin seeds with oats and dried fruit and says it keeps her zen even during the busiest class schedules. Mood swings. Fluctuating moods can affect daily life. Incorporate nuts, especially walnuts, which are high in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, contributing to improved mood stability. There's Harold, a 69-year-old who hosts Nutty Nights, where he and his friends share their favorite nut recipes. He insists that his walnut brownies are the reason everyone leaves with a smile. Nutritional deficiencies. Missing essential nutrients can lead to cognitive issues. Eat eggs, which are a good source of several nutrients tied to brain health, including B vitamins and choline. Meet Carol, a 72-year-old breakfast chef who has created an egg-citing omelet recipe full of veggies and spices. She believes her culinary creations help her maintain her sharpness in the kitchen and beyond. Age-related cognitive decline. Protecting against cognitive decline is critical. Snack on oranges, which are high in vitamin C and may help protect brain health. Meet Tim, a 71-year-old retired teacher who has turned his backyard into an orange oasis. He grows multiple varieties of oranges and hosts a monthly citrus celebration where he shares his homemade orange marmalade and freshly squeezed orange juice. Tim swears that since he started eating more oranges, he's been able to recall the names of all his former students without a hitch. Impaired focus and relaxation. Difficulty maintaining focus can affect everyday tasks. Drink green tea, which contains caffeine and L-theanine, improving brain function and promoting relaxation. Meet Susan, a 67-year-old book club enthusiast who swears by her green tea hour. Every afternoon, she brews a pot of her favorite green tea and pairs it with a good book. She claims that the combination not only helps her stay focused, but also allows her to relax and enjoy the story without distractions. Susan says she's read more novels in the last year than she ever did in her entire life. Incorporating these brain-boosting foods into your daily diet can make a significant difference. Whether it's Frank with his blueberry bonanza smoothie, Doris creating masterpieces after sushi, or Mildred's lively tea gatherings, these quirky examples remind us that food can be both nourishing and fun. So, don't just sit back and let aging take a toll on your brain. Get creative in the kitchen, try new recipes, explore different flavors, and perhaps even start your own quirky food tradition, like Mildred's Turmeric Tea Tuesdays or Steve's Brain Fuel Trail Mix. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on living your best life as you age. Share your own quirky food traditions or favorite brain-boosting recipes in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay sharp.